it's Mrs. Schroeder, and today in math, we will be doing Chapter 11, Lesson 7. You will need pages 661 all the way to 666 from your notebooks. You can keep them in your notebook. You can tear the pages out and staple them, whatever you would like. You will also need one pencil and one crayon. I don't care what color crayon it is. Just grab one pencil, one crayon. You can pick the color. If you need to pause the video to go do so, go ahead. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about composite shapes. Composite? What does that even mean? Echo me, composite. Now let's clap out our syllables. Composite. Composite. Good. A composite shape is when you have a smaller shape. You put the smaller shapes together to create one big shape. What does that look like? Well, I'm here to show you. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to start off with a video for today's lesson, and that'll explain a little bit what a composite shape is. Echo me, composite. Good job.
Two-dimensional figures in position. Did you know that you can turn a triangle and a square so they are in different positions? Just watch. First is the triangle. Watch as the triangle turns and turns again. Let's watch the square as it turns. The square turns and turns again. We can also use squares and triangles to make a larger square and larger triangle. Watch how these 9 small squares fit into this one large square.
Boys and girls, echo me, composite. This is exactly what a composite shape is. We used a square. Well, we put many small squares to make what? One big square. Good job.
Watch how these 9 small triangles fit into this one large triangle.
Boys and girls, echo me, composite. This is a composite shape because we took small triangles to make what? One big triangle. Well done. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what a composite shape is. Okay, so here I have what shape is this again? Triangle. Good. We have our triangles. Can you help me count how many triangles I have? Thanks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 triangles. What I want to do is try to make one large triangle using these 6 triangles. Okay, so put your eyes on the screen. I just want you to watch me move some of these triangles. Because when I'm looking at it right now, I'm like, how do you even move this? Which it's not letting me move it right now. So, there we go. Got it. All right, let's see. I'm going to put this one here and then attach this one here and put that there. How many triangles did I just use? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I used 3 triangles on the bottom. Look what happened. I made one big triangle using 1, 2, 3, 4 small triangles. Now I'm going to make another shape. So I'm going to take these apart. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. Just watch what I do when I move the triangles. I'll put that one there. Now, I'll put this one here. And move that one there. Okay. So boys and girls, watch. I almost have a shape. I'm going to move this because I'm looking at my triangle and it fits perfectly, like a slice of pizza almost. Boys and girls, we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles to make what shape? I'm going to give you a second to think. I'll help you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many sides we have. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S for sides. We have 6 sides. I wonder how many vertices we have. How many vertices do you guys think we have? I don't know. Let's try and count them. What does vertice mean again? Vertice means corner. Good. Echo me. Vertice means corner. Help me count how many vertices we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. What letter am I going to put after the 6? Vertice. V. Great job. 6 vertices. V stands for vertices. We have 6 sides, 6 vertices. What means 6 equals 6? Did you say hex? Yes. Echo me. Hex. Hex. Hex equals 6. Hex. Hex. Hex equals 6. What's the name of our shape? A hexagon. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's get started with our math for today. So we will be drawing our shapes. That's why you have your pencil. We will be outlining our shapes. That's why you have your crayon. So if you're not sure how to draw your shapes, that's okay. I'm going to do it with you step by step. All right? Grab your pencil. Let's do this. All right, boys and girls. What I want to do is I'm going to use 2 squares. 2 squares. Squares, their sides are equal to. Echo me, equal to. Equal to. Good. That means they're going to be all the same size. So let's draw our first square. I'm going to draw a line here. 1 side. 2 side. 3 side. 4 side. If you didn't get to draw it with me, draw it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to draw another square, but we're going to put it right underneath. Okay? So let's draw our sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. Good. Grab your crayon and watch what happens. I'm going to say my crayon is red. If you don't have a red crayon, that is a-okay. Just use whatever crayon that you have with you. What I want to do now is trace the sides to see what composite shape we have. Trace the first side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, what shape did we just make? Think about it. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. What shape did we just make? Did you say rectangle? Awesome. High five. Good. Echo me, composite. Our composite shape is a rectangle. Well done, boys and girls. Flip your paper over. We're going to be making some composite shapes. So what I want us to do is we're going to count how many small shapes we have and then put them together to make our big shape. So grab your pencil. Boys and girls, let's count how many squares we have. Echo me, square. Good, let's count them. 1, 2. Well, we just did this shape, didn't we? We put two squares together to make what composite shape? Rectangle. Good. I want you to trace the second square. Sorry, that was my alarm. Good. Now take your crayon. Like I said, mine's going to be red. Let's trace over all of our sides. 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. What composite shape did we make? A rectangle. Well done. All right, let's do the next one together. Grab your pencils. Help me count how many triangles we have. And I want you to write the number in your triangles as well. Okay? We got to always practice writing our numbers. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. We have 4 triangles. How are we going to fit it into a larger triangle? Well, we have to at least draw 1 triangle, right? Yeah. So I'm going to grab my pencil again. All right, at the top, we're going to draw our first triangle. I'm going to go slow so you can do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sides. That's our first triangle. All right, boys and girls, now we have to try to draw it on the bottom. Well, how many more do we need to draw? If we already used 1, how many do we have left over? 1, 2, 3 triangles. Good job. All right, my friends, so what we're going to do now, because it does get trickier, right? I'm going to look at my sides. I can tell that this is a peak or a corner. So we're going to draw our next triangle against the corner. Take your pencil. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Write the number 2 because that's our second triangle. Okay. Now we're going to just draw a line from that corner to the middle. What did we just make? Another triangle. Good. Write the number 3. How many triangles did we say that we had to use? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Go ahead and trace that last corner. 4. Well done, boys and girls. Now what we're going to do is I would like for you to grab your crayon. We're going to trace all of our sides to see what composite shape we made. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Echo me, composite. Great job. Our composite shape is a triangle. Let's go to the next one. All right, boys and girls. Ooh, this one's a good one. Let's count how many triangles we have to see what composite shape we're making. Remember, write your numbers in the triangles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is going to be a little tricky. Just try it. If you can't do it, that is A-okay. It is all right to not be able to get it on the first try. This is why we practice, okay? Just try your best to follow along. If you make a mistake, that's all right. Pick yourself back up. All right, boys and girls, let's put our 6 triangles in our composite shape. So I'm going to trace this side first and go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, try it. Good. Write the number 1 for our first shape. Now I'm going to we'll start at the top right here, okay? And we're going to go 1, 2, and then that would be our 3. Write the number 2. You with me? Okay, now we're going to trace 1, 2, that would be our 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 1, that would be our 4. All right, we're on 4 triangles. We need to get to 6. Let's keep going. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, this is 5. Good. And then we're just going to draw a line. And that is our 6th triangle. All right, boys and girls, grab your crayons. I'm ready for this. We're going to count how many sides we have. Put your crayon here and help me count how many sides. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sides. I'm going to give you a minute. Think. What shape has 6 sides and 6 vertices? Well, hex, hex, hex equals 6. What's the name of our shape? A hexagon. Well done, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to do one more with you just for practice. All right, grab your pencils. Okay, let's count how many squares we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you writing your numbers? Good. 4, 5, 6. All right, we have to fit these 6 squares into our composite shape. Echo me composite. Let's see what a composite shape is. Let's draw our first square. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Write the number 1. Got it? Okay, now I'm going to start here and we're going to draw our next one. Hopefully they're about the same size. Write the number 2. 1, 2. Good. Now we're going to have our next shape, which is 3 squares. You guys are doing great. Stay with me. Now we're going to start here and draw our next square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And 5. And 6. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to just catch up. We have all 6 squares. Grab your crayon. Let's trace how many sides we have to see what shape we made, what composite shape we made. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 sides, boys and girls. Well, what shape would you say this is? I'm going to say that it's a rectangle, just because it looks like these 2 top lines are a little bit longer and these 2 sides are a little bit shorter. Echo me composite. Good job, boys and girls. All right, it is your job now to finish the rest of the composite shapes. Do your independent practice, also do your homework. If you are having a hard time drawing your shapes, that is A-okay. Stop, take a second, take a break, practice, and come back. Until next time, boys and girls, I'll see you later. Bye.